Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the WhatsApp status that you've recently uploaded. Did you post a status and want to remove it? No worries. Today, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process to remove the WhatsApp status. WhatsApp has made it really confusing with each update to keep track of its features. The one that has suffered the hardest is the status section, with the whole drop down and the status disappearing as soon as you finish watching them, or just having to do so much just to find them again. This all is a really big mess. So, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your WhatsApp status. Let's get right into it. First, open up your WhatsApp app and look for updates. If you're on an older version of the app, it should say status. Now, look for My Status and click on it. It should take you here. Look for the three dots and click on them. Select Delete. It'll ask you if you want to delete it. Click on Delete again. And that's it. Remember, once you've deleted the status, it'll be removed from all the contact views that who haven't seen it already. However, those who've already seen it before you've deleted it won't be affected. And that's how easy it is to remove the WhatsApp status. And that's it, folks. That's how easy it is to remove WhatsApp status. It's a quick way to manage what you share with your contacts. Thanks for watching. And if this guide helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Bye.